Okay, so I'm just gonna show what is the procedure that I use for sanitizing the truck the garbage truck that I drive. I use Lysol, um, all-purpose. I used to use regular disinfectant. There's a disinfectant that I normally used to use, but since the COVID-19, I've stepped it up to the Lysol. In the truck itself, all the touch areas are done. Let me see if I can just hold this here. Right, so we do our steering wheel. Right, we'll come back and wipe down some of the buttons later. The seat is done. The seat belt. Also the handles that we touch to get up in the truck, along the door. All of those places are done. They're properly sanitized. Same thing is done on this side. And that's basically how we go around the truck. Might open it to get gas, and we come around to the back of the truck. Everywhere that we might have to touch in our operations for the day, we just go around and give it a nice little right, and we allow the stuff to dry properly. And that's the routine that we follow here at Clean Crew every morning before we begin, and then we go through our regular pre-trip checks on tires and liquids and all of that kind of stuff.